Have you ever tried to describe your day in Spanish and just felt your mind go completely blank? Well, today we're going to fix that. We're going to get you talking about your daily schedule with total confidence. You know that exact moment, right? Someone asks you, ¿Qué haces en un día normal? And all of a sudden, you can't remember a single word. Yeah, that feeling is incredibly common, so you are not alone. But don't you worry, by the end of this, you are going to have a super simple, clear way to answer that question without even hesitating.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll set our goal. Then we'll grab the basic building blocks, add some really useful time expressions, learn how to talk about starting and ending things, and finally, we'll put it all together. Sound good? Let's dive in.
Okay, so what's our main mission today? It's to take you from knowing just a couple of isolated words to being able to tell the story of your entire day, from the moment you wake up to when you go to sleep. And believe it or not, to talk about any schedule, you really only need two key ingredients. You need the action, that's your verb, like trabajar, to work, and you need the when, a time expression, like a las nueve. That's the whole foundation right there, what you do and when you do it. So how do we actually combine these pieces? Well, there are a couple of incredibly simple but really powerful little formulas you just have to know. This first rule is absolutely fundamental. Anytime, and I mean anytime, you mention a specific time on the clock, you're going to use a la for 1 o'clock and a las for every other hour. So the class starts at 9 becomes la clase empieza a las 9. See? Super simple. So what about ranges of time, like a work week? For that, we use the tiny little word day. If you want to say I work from Monday to Friday, it's trabajo de lunes a viernes. This is your go-to for any kind of block of time. Okay, you've got the basics down solid. Now, let's start adding some layers. This is how we're going to make your sentences more detailed and sound a lot more natural. These frequency words are like your secret weapon. I mean, instead of just saying I work, you can now add so much more flavor. I always work, or I sometimes work. Words like siempre, a veces, and todos los días will instantly make your routine sound more real. Here's a perfect example of that in action. See how a veces just slots right in at the beginning? A veces trabajo los sábados. With just that one simple phrase, you've told a much more interesting story about your schedule. Another tool you're definitely going to need is how to talk about the different parts of the day. You know, the morning, the afternoon, and at night. Now, pay attention, because this is a huge tip that's going to make you sound way more fluent instantly. For in the morning or in the afternoon, it is so tempting for us English speakers to use the word in. But nope, the correct word is always por la mañana, por la tarde. If you get this right, trust me, you are already way ahead of the game. So we've covered when things happen in general, but what if you want to talk about the specific start and end times for something? Let's take a look at that right now. It is actually super straightforward. For starting something, you're going to use the verb empezar a, and for ending it, you'll use terminar a. Let's see what that looks like. Check this out. On one side, la película empieza a las 8. The movie starts at 8. And on the other, el trabajo termina a las 5. Work ends at 5. See how we're using that a las row we learned just a few minutes ago? It is all starting to connect perfectly now. All right, this is the moment we've been building up to. We've gathered all the individual pieces of our puzzle. Now, let's put them all together and build a complete, flowing description of a daily routine. Okay, let's build this schedule step by step. First things first, we start at the beginning of the day. Me despierto a las 7. I wake up at 7. It's simple, it's clear, and it's using our a las rule. Perfect. Next, let's add the workday. Trabajo de 8 a 4. I work from 8 to 4. Notice how we're using de here to show that block of time. And what about lunch? Gotta eat. Como a las 2. I eat at 2. Another specific time, another perfect use of a las. And to finish off the day, estudio por la noche. I study at night. And there it is. Waking up, working, eating, studying. We have used every single tool we've learned to describe a full day, and it sounds great. And just like that, you've seen how all these little pieces click together. You now have the complete toolkit to describe not just this schedule, but your own unique schedule in your own words. So what about you? What's your day like? You know, the absolute best way to make all this information stick is to use it right away. So use the building blocks we just went over and describe your own daily routine down in the comments. Let's see what you've got.